Crypto or Forex? Which is better and which one can make you more money? So previously, I have heard lots of people asking me this question, and even up till now, people still come to my DM to ask me, Coach, I want to go into trading, but I don't know if I should go for crypto or I should go for Forex. And they begin to ask me, which one should I go for, or which one do I think is better? Now, this is the reason why I decided to make this video so that I will clarify you guys on the differences between Forex and crypto and which one is actually better or which one makes you more money. Now, for us to continue this, I want you to understand that both of them deals with trading. So if you are interested in trading, you can choose to go either for Forex or for crypto. But at the end of this video, you will be able to understand which one you should focus more on. All right. So before I go into the video, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you are welcome to Blockchain Plus. In this place, I teach you everything about cryptocurrency and trading and how to make money and become successful trading cryptocurrency or Forex. And then I also mentor you. So if you want to join my mentorship group, you are welcome to join our Blockchain Plus mentorship group. Or if you want to join our Telegram community where I do a whole lot for people there for free, you are welcome to just use the link or use this Blockchain Plus hub here to search for Telegram, to search on Telegram, and you're going to join my community. In that place, I do a whole lot for people. But with that said, let's go into the video for today. I hope you've subscribed to this channel. I hope you've liked this video, and if you have any comment, just drop it in the comment section. And also don't fail to share this video with your friends so that they also can benefit from content like this. All right, so let's go to the first one, which is Forex. So Forex is simple. This is known as foreign exchange market, where you trade one currency for another. So all of us know, in fact, majority of people know what Forex is. It's like you want to trade euro for USDT, GBP for JPY, euro for CAD, and all of that. Now, Forex is the largest financial market in the world with over $7 trillion traded every day. Now, the only thing with Forex is that it has one major money making method. So it has only one way that you can make money from. Although there is another way you can make money from it, which is maybe as an affiliate. You have an affiliate with a broker or all of that. Aside the affiliates with the broker, the major way you make money is from trading. Now that is it. Forex is simple, trading only. That is what you do on Forex. So either you are trading with manual method or you are using automatic method to trade using bots. It's all about trading. So you analyze the chart, you buy or you sell, you make profit or you lose money. That is all you need to do with Forex. So everything about Forex just revolves around trading. Either you are buying or you are selling. And also in Forex, there are so many big players in the Forex market. And these big players has a lot of way they manipulate the market. These big players manipulate the market in so many ways. In so many ways. That is why when you come to Forex market, if you look at the candlesticks on Forex market, you will see a whole lot of fake out candles. You will see a whole lot of um, dodgy candle, a whole lot of weak candles in Forex. You will see a lot of things happening in Forex because of the heavy manipulation. Although most times it is easy to predict, it is also more stable because since it has a lot of money in it, it is not as volatile as crypto. That means if you know how to manage your risk very well, you may lose money, but you may not quickly lose your money as it is in crypto. So I'm going to touch all of that when I go into crypto. Now, because the forex market has lots of volume, liquidity or money in it, it is more stable. That is just one thing that makes it stand out. It is more stable to trade. But however, the manipulation is high. So if you don't know what you're doing, you may quickly be burned out trading forex. Now, with that said about forex, let us go into crypto. So crypto is the next one we are going into. We have said everything about forex. Now let's look at crypto. Crypto is the digital asset market. Now in crypto, all we are trading or doing is trading or buying digital assets. This does not have to do with any physical assets or fiat asset. Is all about digital. Think of Bitcoin, think of Ethereum, think of Solana, think of Litecoin, think of Cardano, think of all of them, think of Shiba Inu, Binance, BNB, all of that. They are all digital. Unlike the forex market, crypto is not controlled by central bank and it is extremely volatile compared to traditional currency market. I've already said that before, but one thing you need to take away from here is that it is not controlled by any central bank. So it is decentralized. Crypto has multiple ways to make money, unlike the forex market. And this is where crypto becomes extremely powerful. Unlike the forex market, because it has multiple ways to make money from, it becomes extremely powerful. Now, going forward, I'm going to show you the 7 ways that you can make money from crypto. There are other ways, but I've handpicked these 7 ways which are more pronounced in the crypto space. Going forward, we're just going to look at them one after the other. So the first one is spot trading. Now, in spot trading, all you are doing is to buy an asset when the price is down. So when the price is down, maybe let's say the price comes down, you buy around here, and then when it goes up, you sell. It comes down, you buy again. It goes up, you sell. So that is what you are doing in crypto spot trading. All it means is that you buy low. Let's say you buy low here, you sell high at this point. So it is easy to do, it is simple to do. You buy low, you sell high, and this is the easiest and the best way to come into crypto. What you're doing here, you're not buying and hoping that the market is going to eat up your money and get you liquidated. You're not doing any of that. You just buy when the market is low. If it continues to go low, if you have money, you continue to buy. But if you don't have money, you hold on to what you've bought. And when the price comes up and goes high, you sell and make your money from that. Now, that is the first way you make money from crypto: spot trading, buying low and selling high. The second way you make money from crypto is futures trading slash leverage trading. Now, this is a high risk, high reward trading pattern in crypto, because in this one you are using a leverage, you are hedging or you are leveraging on what you're being provided in your trading platform. For instance, let's say Binance platform. So there are some coins that they will provide you with, let's say 100x or even up to 400x. 400x. So if you are using 400x as your leverage, any small thing can wipe your account off. You understand? So this is very, very high risk, high reward play, because if you use 100x and it goes in your way, you can make so much money within a very short period of time. That is why you see people flipping accounts within a short period of time if they understand what they are doing in crypto. Now, if you are new to crypto futures trading, if you're not used to it, if you don't understand how it works, then make sure you watch my other videos which I have done already about futures trading on Binance, futures trading on Gate, and futures trading on Bit, futures trading on Bitunix. So make sure you watch those videos to understand everything about futures trading. But if you want to take a step further into understanding and becoming successful trading futures in crypto, then you may want to join our Blockchain Plus Academy, because in that place I teach you and mentor you, and I also give you trading signals on how to become trading signals that you can copy, trade, and make money from. So all you just need to do, contact me or join my free Telegram channel. Through that means you can contact me and then you can join the Blockchain Plus Academy. Going forward, you can be able to learn everything about crypto, learn everything about futures, and also get our copy trading, get into our copy trading platform where you can copy all the trade I take and then you make money from those trade as well. So moving away from futures trading, the next thing you can do to make money from crypto is airdrop. Now a lot of people have made money, even me, I have made money from airdrop before, and also in my community we still do that. We still make money from airdrop. So all you just need to do is to join Blockchain Plus Hub community. You can see the community right here. You can see it right here. So just join this community on Telegram because we do a whole lot of things on that community, and also follow this channel because in this channel we do a whole lot. We do a whole lot. I teach you step by step, every step that you need to take to become successful in crypto. So airdrop is the next thing you can do to make money from crypto. This is where people make free money with using zero money. All you just need to do is to use your internet, use your phone to make money from this. Now moving away from airdrop, the next one is staking. So I stake coins, I buy coins, I stake, and there are some coins that you earn high interest from. So staking is a process of earning interest on your crypto. I do that a lot. I buy crypto, I stake it for 1 year, I stake it for 6 months, I stake it for 2 years, and I earn interest. So you can from some crypto, for some crypto you can earn as low as 5%, and you can earn as high as 50% depending on the coin. So you can stake your coin. If you don't know how all of this works, like I've said, just join the Blockchain Plus Academy. You're going to learn everything about all of these things I'm explaining to you. And if you also want to take a peek at what we are doing, then join the Blockchain Plus Hub community, and you learn a lot from it as well. So moving away from staking, we have launchpads and IDO. Now this is where you join early project. You become an early investor in project, in new projects, and in this kind of project, because you are early into the project, you are going to buy them very very cheap. Depending on the project, you can make 5x, 10x, or even up to 100x, because when they launch, the project price skyrockets. Some projects can launch at, let's say, 10 cents, and when some projects can come out and do their launch pads or IDO at 10 cents, or even, let's say, 2 cents, and when they launch at 20 cents or even up to $1. You get, and you make a whole lot of money from that. So Launchpad and IDO are another great way to make money from crypto. And then moving away from that, you have crypto arbitrage. I do crypto arbitrage. I've taught people how to do crypto arbitrage, and they're making a lot of money from it. We have a lot of different arbitrage. We have exchange to exchange arbitrage. We have triangular arbitrage. There are lots of arbitrage you can do to make money from. You can also have fiat to crypto arbitrage. So there are so many arbitrage that you can make money from. This is where you buy cheap. For instance, the exchange to exchange is actually buying cheap on one exchange and selling high on another exchange. I said I was going to drop 7 for, so this is the sixth one. Now before I talk about the seventh one, I hope you've subscribed to this channel. I hope you've liked this video, because this video is actually packed with lots of value about crypto and forex. And I hope you've liked the video, you've subscribed, and you've also shared this video with your friend. And if you have any comments, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer your questions for you. Now let's look at the seventh one. So the seventh one is long-term investment and holding. Now this is where a lot of people become millionaires. This is where a lot of millionaires are made from crypto. This is where you see that crypto, people say crypto is bad, crypto is mad money, is in long-term investment. People buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, etc., hold it for months, years, and earn massive growth during bull market. For example, you could see that a lot of people bought Bitcoin. I think in 2016, I bought Bitcoin around $400. A lot of people bought Bitcoin around $500, and in 2021, a lot of people sold it for a higher price. I sold my own for a higher price. Now in 2025, you could agree with me that the price of Bitcoin hit $125,000. So imagine buying just 2 Bitcoin at $1,000 in 2016. Right now, that two Bitcoin will be worth over $250,000. And as at the time of making this video, the price would have been at least $180,000, which is a very, very massive money. A lot of people also bought into Ethereum, and in 2018, Ethereum price was around $90. As at today, Ethereum price is around $3,000, and in 2021, Ethereum hit $4,700. Now let's also look at Solana. Solana went from 0.5 cent, that is 50 cent in 2020, to $260 in 2021. So these are massive gains that you can make from crypto. And guess what? This kind of investment, you don't need to kill yourself over it. You don't need to do any stressful thing to make all this kind of money. All you just need to do is to look for good projects, invest in them, and relax yourself. Now, if you don't know of any good project that you can invest in, that is the reason why you need to join our inner group. That is the reason why you need to join this community, Blockchain Plus Hub. That is the reason why you need to register for the Blockchain Plus Academy, because I have selected lots of coins that are going to do massive returns in the near future. All you just need to do to lay your hands on it is to join the Blockchain Plus Academy or join the Blockchain Plus Hub community, because I also drop some projects there for us. So guys, like I said, these are the differences between Forex and crypto. If you have any other observation, please just drop it in the comment section. If you think Forex is better than crypto, let me also know in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comment, and I'll be waiting for your own opinion in the comment section. Alright guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.